that a fair and a permanent peace and prosperity will be established in Kashmir. And we would like to extend our condolences sincerely to the people of Pakistan because of the disaster floods that they had experienced quite recently. And after the flood, we have launched humanitarian aid campaigns, which are still sustained. And we would like to call out to the international community to help the people of Pakistan as they are going through this most unfortunate and painful time. The Rohingya Muslims will have to go back to their motherlands in a safe, secure, and a voluntary and a dignified fashion. And we are supporting that in every extent possible. And we are very sensitive towards the protection of the fundamental rights and the liberties of the Muslim Uyghur Turks in such a way that will never threaten the territorial integrity and sovereignty of China. In the Balkans, we are investing tremendous efforts in order for peace and prosperity to be strengthened and for the disputes to be settled once and for all through dialogue in multiple platforms. And at the beginning of September, we had launched an official visit including to Bosnia and Herzegovina, Serbia, and Croatia. Greece finalizing these efforts and ask the European Union to be more considerate instead of turning a blind eye towards these violations. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, every challenge that we experience on a global and a regional fashion, we see that solidarity between Turkey and the EU is very much significant. Turkey is celebrating the 70th anniversary of joining NATO. We are a very strong ally of NATO. We have diplomatic initiatives and we have military capabilities that are contributing to the security of the Europe and the Atlantic. We are trying to provide to the security and stability and the welfare of the European continent in every extent possible, and we are the Asian on the western coast of Europe, and we are leading certain initiatives such as Asia again in order to become much more proactive. We are trying to establish closer contacts and solidarity with the African countries as a result of the recent global initiatives that we have taken up. Within that framework, between 16th and 18th of December 2021, with the large participation of our African friends, we have managed to hold the third Turkey and Africa Partnership Summit in Istanbul. Turkey is always showcasing its commitment to the African journey for stability, for development, and for welfare as an equal partner. And our cooperation with Latin America is getting stronger, and we have launched an appeal over this platform to call that March 15th will be called a day for Fight Against Islamophobia Day as a result of the attack that took place against the Muslims in New Zealand. And we would like to underline that appeal again. First, within the OIC and within the General Assembly of the United Nations, we have taken certain decisions in order for that day to be declared as a Fight Against Islamophobia Day. We hope and pray that it will be a possibility. We hope and pray that this day will be declared as a day to fight Islamophobia. As I have previously stated, Islamophobia is equal to